Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have here the Allure beauty box. Now it's a little late because sometimes I see a box and I'm not sure I want to get it, so I just skip the month. And the great thing is I can usually find it in the member store after and buy it, and that's what I did. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's open it up together. Cheers! So these boxes usually they cost around $30, and they always have a combination of full size and deluxe size items over $100 in value. So these are curated boxes. I like that it gives you a little pamphlet to learn about the products, and also there's usually an opportunity to customize at least one of the products. So this is just super fun. So first off, from Rodial, I have a vitamin C papaya enzyme scrub to brighten and renew. I like papaya, my skin, for exfoliating properties. So I like that this is a scrub. This does look like a full size. All right, so as expected, it's got a little bit of a grainy texture to it. You can see it's a scrub. It smells like papaya, all the things I would expect. Happy with that. I also have from Saskatchewan a styling cream, light and flexible. So this is once again another full-size product. This is a hair product. I like to use these styling creams either when I'm going to do any kind of heat styling, or sometimes I like to use this for my daughter's hair if I'm going to do any kind of semi-complicated braid or anything, just to kind of hold things in place and make it so it's easier to work with. And this is a nice tube of this. Let's see, just a nice clean hair smell. And it's probably gonna be, oh, it's not white. I thought it was gonna be white. It is like a clear gel, kind of see. Okay, moving along. This does look like it is maybe a deluxe size, but you never know with skincare. This is from Innisfree. This is green tea seed hyaluronic cream. This is 15 ml. Cute little hyaluronic cream, great for travel. So Innisfree is part of Amore Pacific. So it is a Korean brand. They do have some of their sunscreen. I don't have this product. Just a nice light hyaluronic cream, so definitely hydrating. And I just put a little bit on. Doesn't feel greasy, it blends nicely, and it's just kind of nice to have. I like these size tubes. You can throw them in your bag. This is a nice travel size, but a deluxe travel size almost, that you know, if you're going on a longer trip, still last you a good amount because you really don't need that much. Now I have from Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Face Toner. This also looks like a deluxe size because I just happen to have the full size. This is a toner that is formulated with natural extracts of truffle, calendula, rose, and rosemary. And sometimes I like to put these in a spray bottle because I just really like the way it feels on my face. And this is not something that's going to make your face feel tight. This is just something that's going to be purifying but still very hydrating. Definitely nice to have a toner like this, and since it's 2.5 fluid ounces, it is a good travel size toner. Okay, I'm down to the last two products. I have a eye palette from Beauty for Certain, Playa to Palazzo eyeshadow palette. This is another full size. So I think in total I did get 3 full sizes, but we'll see. Why do they make it so hard to get in these boxes? Like, just give a little wiggle room. So this is the palette. It does look like there's a bunch of neutral shades. So this is Playa to Palazzo. Ooh, it's actually prettier than I thought it was gonna be. So nice mirror, not to blind you. And then 5 colors, and they're really a lot bigger than I thought. So there's an espresso, a cocoa, golden, papaya, beach. I'm really excited about this golden because I love shimmer. So you can see, super shimmery. Really nice gold shimmer, so that's beautiful. See the other colors. Beach is going to be kind of a peachy matte color. Papaya, okay, so sorry. Beach was a pinky matte color. Papaya is a peachy. It does look like this is a nice versatile palette, so I'm happy with this. Could do a lot of things with it, and it's great kind of throw in your bag because of its versatility and size. One more product in here. Okay, so this is from Yves Saint Laurent. This is the Candy Glaze Double Care Balm. I'm gonna take off what I have on my lips because I always like to try these on. So what I thought was interesting about this is it is a lipstick, or it's in the form of a lipstick, but it's supposed to be super shiny. Still a little bit of tint from that last thing I put on, but we'll still move forward. And this is in the shade Nude Pleasure. Now there were 4 shades to pick from, but by the time that I decided I definitely wanted the box, I was stuck with this shade, but I do look at swatches and I did think it would still be pretty. So this is the lipstick tube itself. Really fancy looking. Kind of go up, and let's try this on. Wow, my lips are really pigmented from that tint. Okay. So you see how glossy that is for a lipstick? Not what I expect. Does a nice job going on top of this one. The color looks like it would be more brown, but it actually looks really pretty. Next time I'll try it on lips that don't have anything on, but what I do like is the glaze is really pretty, looks nice, and all of this I paid around 20 something for because I did get it in the shop, and I can definitely see the value of being over $100. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments down below if you currently subscribe to the Allure Beauty Box, or if any of the products in this month's box were some of your favorites and how you use them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.